Are you joking?
Dude, come on. We can't do this without you.
Do what? Your script hasn't even been accepted. All you want is for me to go with you and Paul to California for no reason.
No, I really think this could happen.
Yeah, it's because you're desperate and you're afraid to face reality. Just deluding yourself.
What we're doing is making the first real decision of our lives. I'm gonna finally start living my life and give everything I have to this dream.
Yeah, that's all you've ever been as a dreamer. You've just never followed through with it until now.
Are you gonna wake up Mom and Dad?
I'll let them know when your plan falls through.